Welcome back to our Talking Points series, where we deep dive into topics that matter most to you as an investor. I'm your host, Damien Anderson, and today we're going to have an insightful conversation lined up, which we'll be focusing on the subject that affects absolutely everybody, which is, of course, personal taxes. Now, taxes play a crucial role in our lives, especially in the lives of an investor. So understanding how personal taxes work and navigating the complexities of the tax system can significantly impact the well-being of your investment and your financials. So joining us today is an expert in the field of personal finance and taxation, Dehan Kriel, who has helped countless individuals and families make sense of their tax obligation and optimize their finances and maximize their potential for future growth. Now, Dehan, last week you published an article which was shared through the Wealth Masters Club network. And today I just want to look at a couple more details of those points that you raised. So firstly, what are the new personal tax thresholds and tax brackets for the current financial year from SARS?
Hi, Damon. It's a privilege to be here. Thank you for joining in. You asked the new tax brackets for the new threshold for the 2024 financial year. The 2023 financial year was 91,250 threshold for tax-free, and then the 2024 new financial tax-free is 95,750. So it means you can donate or distribute 95,000 to any beneficiary in your trust tax-free if it's a minor child and he hasn't got any other source of income.
And then, Dehan, SARS has made some changes to home office expenses. So previously, a lot more people had the option to claim deductions for home offices. But now that has changed somewhat. So could you give us a little bit more detail on that?
Yes, that's correct. SARS has very strict the regulations regarding the home office expenses. They will only allow it for the future and a nearby future for oaks and taxpayers that earning commission. That is 50% more of their basic salary if they have also a basic salary and a commission component on the structure of the package. And then independent contractor will be full allowed for home office expenses. So with COVID and everything else that's happening in South Africa in the last few years, there was some companies that says, okay, with a basic salary income, you may claim home office expenses, but SARS has strictly not allow any more of those deductions towards home office expenses if you're working for basic salary, which the source code is 3601.
And then obviously what's really important with any SARS submission or tax timeline is the deadlines. So what are some of the deadlines that SARS has put in place for the coming financial year?
The coming financial year deadlines will be from July, the 1st of July 2023 until the 4th of December 2023. So it's a little 2 months longer than the previous financial years. And I think it's to motivate taxpayers to get the taxes in order and to be compliant with SARS, because SARS is looming at penalties and interest and everything for people who's not tax compliant at this moment very hard to get.
And then it's always been very important to have all of your documentation in place for a submission. And obviously this year is no different. So can you just tell us a little bit more about what are some of those documents that are needed for you to make your submission?
I see that first of all, the most important is your RP5. Your employer give you your brackets and your taxes for the year, the whole reconciliation that is submitted. Then, although SARS has the rights with the medical institutes, the investment institutes and stuff to get it directly from the system, we still urge taxpayers to give us a hard copy or form of a copy to verify the details that is on SARS reflecting when we try to submit your personal tax for the tax year ending at February 2023.
Fantastic. Dehan, thank you so much for that information. And obviously that brings to an end of this discussion on personal taxes. We hope that you found this interview valuable and that it provided you with a clearer understanding of personal taxes and the impact it will make on your financial life. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more information. And if you enjoyed this video, then I would encourage you to join myself and the founder of the Wealth Masters Club, Kurt Kutsia, in a full-day seminar where we will be sharing the secrets that he has learned over the years as a successful property investor. The seminars will happen in Johannesburg, Cape Town, and Durban, so come join us and see how you also can make money with property. We're also going to be talking a little bit about taxes and personal taxes, so make sure you are there to learn everything we've got to share. For more information, visit the link in the description. All the details will be there for you. And that's it for today. Until next time, goodbye.